Hello students, it is time to study the only grammar topic that Unit 10 has. This topic is about phrasal verbs, and I have to tell you that this topic is in two different grammar boxes of your book. One is on page 112 and the other is on page 114. So if you're ready, let's get into it. As you know, students, in English, the same way as in Spanish, there are different types of verbs. For example, we have regular verbs, irregular verbs, modal verbs, auxiliary verbs, subjunctive verbs, etc. Today, we are going to study a special category that is named phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is special or is different from other verbs because these phrasal verbs are formed by 2 or 3 words. So they are not like the typical verb that is only one word. For example, go. Go is only one word. Or if we say work, work is only one word. But phrasal verbs are different because they are formed by 2 or 3 words. For example, here we have a verb that is normal, okay? This is not a phrasal verb, it's a common verb. This verb is turn, to say girar. But if we want, we can convert this normal verb into a phrasal verb if we add 1 or 2 words more. For example, check, now we add to turn a preposition, the preposition on, and now the meaning is different because turn was girar, but when you say turn on, it becomes encender. But if we change that preposition and now we put off, the meaning is turn off, apagar. But if I change off and I put another preposition, the meaning is also different. If we say turn in, for example, now the meaning is entregar. So as you can see, this is now a phrasal verb because it is formed by 2 words. And today we are going to study different phrasal verbs and different categories of phrasal verbs. So get ready. So as we said, today we are going to study phrasal verbs. It means verbs that are formed by 2 or 3 words. And there are 3 different categories or types of phrasal verbs. Hay 3 tipos de verbos frasales. The first one is the separable phrasal verbs. It means phrasal verbs that we can separate if we want. For example, we have bring about, to say generar. Carry out, that is llevar a cabo in Spanish. Figure out, resolver. Find out, descubrir. Give up, rendirse. Lay off, despedir. Pick up, recoger. Take up, empezar. Wipe out, erradicar. Try on, to say probar when we are talking about clothes, como probarse algo, un suéter, un pantalón. Try out is similar. This is calar or probar, but we are going to use it to talk about machines. Este es como probar una máquina o calar una máquina. So, turn on to say encender, turn off to say apagar, and throw away to say desechar. So, this list of 14 phrasal verbs are separable. It means that if we want, we can separate them, or if we don't want, we can keep them together. So, I will give you examples of them. For example, if we say, I will take up a new semester, what we are saying in Spanish is, yo empezaré un nuevo semestre, because take up in Spanish is empezar. So when you say, I will take up a new semester, you are showing the person with the one you are talking that you are advanced because you are using this phrasal verb. And this phrasal verb is separable, so if you want, you can separate the words that are here and to collocate the up at the end of the sentence, like this. I will take a new semester up. That in Spanish is the same. Yo empezaré un nuevo semestre. So you can say, I will take up a new semester, or I will take a new semester up. And you can do the same thing with the 14 verbs that we have here. So you can separate them if you want, or if you don't want to separate them, it's okay. That's why they are the separable phrasal verbs.